In this video, you'll learn how to solve withdrawal issues on Binance. By following these steps, you will be able to identify the problem and take appropriate actions to resolve it efficiently. Begin by navigating to the Binance website and logging into your account. Once logged in, locate the withdrawal history section, which is typically found in the wallet menu. Here you can review the status of your recent withdrawals. This is crucial as it allows you to identify whether the withdrawal is pending, failed, or completed. Look for any system maintenance alerts that may be affecting transactions. Additionally, confirm that you have used the correct network address for your withdrawal. Most issues stem from simple mistakes, and this step helps narrow down the problem. Next, check your security and compliance requirements. Ensure that your account verification process is complete, as incomplete verification can restrict withdrawals. Look for notifications indicating that withdrawals may be temporarily disabled for security reasons. Also, review your email for any confirmations that may require your approval before processing a withdrawal. It is important to ensure that two-factor authentication is functioning properly. Refrain from making repeated withdrawal attempts, as this can trigger security protocols. Completing these checks often resolves common blocks and restores your ability to withdraw funds. If the issue persists, it may be necessary to contact Binance support. To do this, navigate to the Help Center on the Binance website and open the support section. When reaching out, provide your transaction ID and any relevant screenshots that illustrate the problem. Clearly and calmly describe the issue you are experiencing, as this will help the support team assist you more effectively. It is advisable to follow any instructions provided by support carefully. Additionally, avoid creating multiple support tickets for the same issue, as this can complicate the resolution process. Keep track of updates stored for the latest information regarding your inquiry. Resolving withdrawal issues can sometimes take time, especially if they are more complex. Be patient and check back regularly. Care for updates from Binance support. In the meantime, ensure that you are following all security protocols and have completed all necessary verifications. Being aware of your account status and any alerts can help mitigate future withdrawal issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.